Sean Scully with the Phoenix Business Technologies Group here to show you how to make a VPN connection. That stands for Virtual Private Network Connection. You would use this in your mobile computer or your home computer to tie into your office computer. Pretty easy to do in the Windows 7 environment. You're going to go down and right click on your networking icon, open your network and sharing center. Set up a new connection or network. Choose connect to a workplace. Create a new connection. Use your internet connection. Type in the URL that you've been given by your IT department or an IP address. The destination name would be essentially a name for your VPN. This is just a generic one, so I'm going to name it as much. Now you have three options underneath here. Use the smart card. That would be if you had a smart card. Most cases you won't, unless your company provides one. Allow other people to use this connection. We'll pass this through to other profiles so that they can access the same connection without having to reconfigure it. Not going to set it up in this case because I'm the only one that uses this terminal, and it's a security thing. You want to leave it unchecked if you're not sure. But if it is a company laptop and you're going to have multiple people using it, you might want to check that. It does not pass your credentials on. I'm going to choose Don't Connect Now. Just set this up so I can connect later. I'll show you why in a second. For your username, you're going to type in your username. For the password, you're going to type in your password. These would be whatever you use to log into your company computer or your email through the company. Again, this isn't going to work if you don't have the privilege to do so. So all this stuff will be provided to you by your IT department. This video is just to help guide you. I would choose to remember the password so you don't have to remember it. However, just understand that if you do that, it remembers your credentials. You lose your laptop, somebody else is going to get access to it. The domain is going to be your company domain. In this case, I'm using the example Extreme. Again, your IT department will provide that information to you. I'm going to go ahead and close that. I'm going to navigate to my new VPN connection and get the properties by right-clicking on it and clicking Properties. I want to go to Networking and navigate to the TCP/IP v4 protocol, and you'll see it's highlighted here. I'll double-click that, or I can click Properties. Choose the Advanced tab, and I want to uncheck the Use Default on Gateway on Remote Network option. The reason that I want to do that is I don't want to send the traffic to them first, then to me. Certain environments will require this. It's a speed issue. It will slow things down considerably if you don't do this step. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with IPv6. It depends on whether your company has IPv6 or IPv4 configured. Again, your IT department will tell you. You can go ahead and click OK. That puts the settings in there. In order to dial this connection, you want to go down to your network, and you'll see your VPNs listed above your internet connection. If it were a laptop, for example, I'd see my wireless connections listed below that. So I'm going to go ahead and select it, and I would choose Connect, at which point I'll be confronted one last time by this information. You can choose to save the credentials for yourself or anyone who uses this computer. I'd recommend only saving them for yourself. Again, it's a security thing. And then just go ahead and click Connect, and it'll go through and authenticate your credentials. This error popped up because I used a fake set of information. I didn't want to give anyone's public or free information out. If you have any questions or concerns, you can reach us at 412-341-7000 or client alerts at pbtg.com. And thank you so much for watching.